Good morning, you are now watching Happy Fun Day Trip. Today is the docu-short film about nourishing zero waste management by doing 5 R's or refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and rot. You'll see a bowl of fruit vegetable as first segment of this film. Buy enough foods for the day to sustain food supply and avoid food waste. Food waste is one of the environmental issues to address, hence empty the food on your plate and think if you want to eat more. Next segment, I just baked omelette with leftover bread and leftover biscuit as garnish. I don't buy much groceries for someone does it. When I make grocery, I do my best to bring eco bag and containers to refuse plastics. Our dinner for tonight is stir-fried bitter gourd with leftover lechon or roasted pig but the head part and gravy sauce. I love to plant seeds, vegetable seeds, like bitter gourd seeds. Next segment, a convenience store initiates and encourages customers to bring reusable bag at least every Wednesday, for it is no paper bag day. If you don't have, you can buy eco bag. I reuse plastic bottles and refill fabric softener from a local store along the highway, since it is affordable to buy in bulk for 18 pesos per liter when you bring bottles. Sometimes the seller refill liquid detergent and dishwashing liquid for me if I want to. On a slightly urban province, the contractor turned the grassland into soil to build building. They have covered the grassland into clay soil just to build infrastructure for commercial purposes. That's why it causes heavy traffic so much. Now it is in our own hands to live, to engage, and to love zero waste lifestyle sustainably. This has been Jacob Mendoza, multimedia practitioner, here on featured short film of Happy Fun Day Trip.